Hey, I'm here to show you a video on this new Chalk Couture product line that I'm going to start showing on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook page. And it's called Chalk Couture, and what it's all about is it's a company that you buy products from. You buy chalkboards of different types and the chalk paste and the stencils. I'm very excited about this new company. I am a designer for this company, and I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys a video of my very first project. So let me switch the cameras and we will get started. Okay, so here is Chalk Couture's round 10-inch board. It comes with a pre-drilled hole and a fastener. And we're going to use this stencil called BU, and you can say BU to full or Be Unique. I think I'm going to do Be Unique. So let's open this. If you think this is a hobby that you are interested in, it's pretty easy startup. It's $99 plus shipping and tax. They send you a lot of stuff to get started. So, don't want to lose my fastener hanger string. Here it is. Got it right here. You will get a monthly stencil. This is a unique stencil, and it's kind of like a nylon plastic, and this is not completely see-through, or this is a screen, so it's basically screen printing. And when you first use your stencil, you're going to defuzz it, and I'm just going to put it on my jeans because my towel has got stuff on top of it. And you're going to just center it. Put your little hole at the top, about center, and put your stencil on it. And you want to get all the bubbles out, especially the screen part. This part, the part that you don't want chalked, you don't have to get the bubbles out. And you get your choice of colors in paste. When you get your starter kit, they send you 5 paste colors. And I have white, candy apple red, garden herb green, storm, which is a gray color, and this couture teal. But we're just going to keep this simple since this is the first project, and just use white. When you first get your chalk, you'll probably have to mix it up because it does sit and get a little stiff. If it sits for a while and it gets a little thick, you can add water to it and get it to where it's thin again. But mine looks pretty good. They say you want it as like an icing frosting type consistency or yogurt consistency. And what you do is you put a little on. A little goes a long way. And this is a stylus tool. And you just spread it all around, get it real good in the screen portion. And then you're going to take a squeegee And you're going to even this out because you don't want any of those stylus marks. And you get a squeegee in your starter kit. Like I said, it's $99. And you become a designer. And what that does is it gives you 40% off of everything that's in the catalog. So you just take your chalk paste and put it back in the jar. Oops. Like I said, this is my first project, so we'll see how it comes out. They send you quite a few stencils in your starter kit. You also get the stencil of the month. These stencils are reusable. You can use them over and over and over. And how they suggest you clean them is just a disinfectant wipe. So we can get this right back off. And not only are your stencils reusable, but your chalkboard is reusable. So once I get finished with this design and I want to change the design out a little bit, I just wash it off. Okay, so we're going to peel this up. And you don't want to peel from the corners, you want to peel from the middle because you may stretch your stencil and you don't want that. So there's the first part of it. I'm going to lay this here for just a second and get another wipe and clean up this excess that I got on the chalkboard. And then you just decide whether you want be beautiful or be unique. And I think I want to do unique. And you kind of want to make sure this is dry before you do your second part, or it will pull up what the ink you just laid down. And these have cut lines, so if you wanted to cut it, you could. That way you'd be able to see where you're placing your second part of your stencil. So I'm just going to get a little bit more chalk paint, lay it down, and get my squeegee. And just spread this around. You can cut these squeegees too. I just haven't had a chance to cut mine yet to make it smaller to where it fits in these little smaller places. And that's my husband singing in the background. Yes, I'm recording and I can hear you singing in the background.
It's copyrighted though.
And so here is my first project. Be unique. And then you just put your little hanger and you can hang it on the wall. Okay? So that's that. So you decide you don't like this. See, I can touch it and it's dry. Don't like it? It comes right off. And you can start again. So if you think this is something you are interested in, I would love to help you get started. on your own projects, or if you want to become a designer and do what I do and get a 40% discount on the stuff in the catalog, you can do that too. I think this is going to be awesome. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. And this board, if I didn't tell you, is double-sided. So if you wanted to do a summer scene on this side and then transition it over to fall when the seasons change, you have your fall season on the back. Or, you know, like I said, you can just wipe it off and change it out. So that's Chalk Couture. And like I said, I'd be very happy to help you get started in Chalk Couture, or if you see a product, go to my website. It's www.chalkcouture.com/Kathi Case, and just browse the catalog and see what all you can do. In my starter kit, I also got this huge chalkboard, and I look forward into making a project with it. So thanks for watching. Please share my video and like my channel, and I do appreciate your time. Thanks. Bye.